Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2023 Harley Davidson Road Glide 3 with 569 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, TPMS, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and passenger backrest and axle caps. The Road Glide offers the same rugged power and attitude as its two-wheeled siblings, but with more stability, appealing to a wider range of riders. Powered by a 114 cubic inch feet twin motor, the Road Glide puts 90 horsepower and 119 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,124 pounds and has a 26.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.